What's up, YouTube? Today I'm showing you guys a gimmickless card to box trick. So without further ado, let's get to it. So I'll be using my Black Tiger deck of playing cards. It's a very nice deck. Now let's get started. And I'll show you that there's nothing in this card case. I can stick my fingers inside. There's nothing inside of it. Now you can shuffle the deck. You can give it some cuts, and then the spectators can pick any card. Now, let's just say you pick that card, and then you look at it, you can sign it, you can do whatever, and you just need to memorize it and make sure that it's yours. So then it can be placed back in the deck, right there, let's say, and then you can give it some shuffles. Now, I'll give it a bridge shuffle, then I'll give it an overhand shuffle, then I'll give it some cuts, like so, and then let's just say it is lost in the deck now. And when I mean lost in the deck, I actually mean lost outside of the deck. By that, I mean that it's actually not inside of the deck anymore. As you can see, you can't see it at all. You can't find it at all. That's because it is actually outside of the deck. Now, it probably has gone to this case, if I'm being honest. So, take the card case, and then you can show that really it did go inside of it. Like so, your card, the 2 of clubs. Now, I'm sorry if that seemed to be a little rushed performance, but I'm kind of in a hurry, so I have to make this video quick. Now, you just need an ordinary deck of playing cards, and then you need a card case. Now, all you're going to do is have them pick a card, and they can sign it, they can do whatever, and then you somehow need to control the Jack of Hearts to the top, or whatever their signed card is. Now, you can do that a few ways. I like doing the coal control, where you put it in, and then you can control it to the bottom with the coal, like that. Then you can give it an overhand shuffle, so that it goes to the top, like that. Or you can just do a simple few cuts, so you put it in the deck like that, and then you get a break right there. And you can give it a few cuts, bringing it to the top. Some sectors will fall for that. That's kind of a beginner move, but you can do that if you want. Now, after you have it controlled to the top, you are going to flip the deck over, and then you're going to get a pinky break above the card that is above your card. So you're going to get it above the bottom 2 cards like that, get a pinky break, so you can just count down 2, and then you can get a pinky break above those 2 cards. Now you're just going to spread through the cards, and then you're going to ask them if they see their card, and then they will not be able to find it. And then when you get to the bottom, you can just hold this as 2, or you can just like not even go to the bottom. You can just kind of cheat and be up here, so then you don't have to risk showing their card. But it's more convincing if you go really to the bottom like that, and then hold these 2 cards together. So then you're going to flip the cards over, and they believe that their card is not in the deck anymore. So all you're going to do then is you're going to have your card case closed, and then you're going to have it on the side, and then you're going to bring it over. And there are many ways you can do this. So you can palm it like so, and then you can put it on top of the case like that, and then flip it over, and then pull it out. Or you can also do it this way, which is a much easier way if you have small hands. So you probably want to do it this way if you have small hands, or you can do it this way where you can palm it, and then you can put it on one side of the card case, flip it over, and then you're going to pull it out from the back, like that. So all you're doing is they think that you're pulling it out from inside of the case, but you're just pulling it out from the back. And if you do it fast, it looks pretty realistic. So what I did, though, in my performance, since I have small hands, I don't want to be palming, really. So you just want to put the deck over, and you're going to add a pinky break under their card, which is, in this case, the Jack of Hearts. Whoops, my phone battery just died. So you're going to get a pinky break under their card, which is the top card, and then you're going to grab the deck case, which should be closed, and then you're going to grab it in middle grip. Now you're going to have it so your fingers are kind of low, like this, and you're just going to have your middle and ring finger on top, and then you're going to have your thumb right here. Now you have your pinky break, and you're just going to wave it over, and then while you're waving it over, you're going to grab it. You're going to grab that card. And you want it to be kind of fluid, so you might want to go a little slow, unless you get a little practice, and you can do it fast, but you want to go a little slow, and then you're going to grab it. Now that was a little exaggerated, so that you guys can notice, but you want to go a little slow, and and then you're going to grab it with your thumb and middle and ring finger, like that. So you're just going to go in and grab it, like that. Now you have their card, and after that, you're going to drop the deck, and then you're going to make sure that that card doesn't fall, or that it doesn't show, and then you're going to turn it around, and then you're going to open the card case like this, and then you're just going to pull it out. Now, it's best if you have this flap on top, because then the spectators can't notice whatsoever. But if you have it like this, and then you pick it up like this, that's also fine. You just might want to tilt it a little, so then they can not see that there's literally nothing in it. But so, once you have it there, you're just going to grab with your thumb on the inside of the card case, like that. And then you're going to grab with your middle and whatever other fingers you want to do, and then you're just going to pull that card out. So just pulling it from underneath the card case. So then it appears that it's coming out of the card case. Now, that's the trick. I hope you guys like this. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.